Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at the Mr. Heater Big Buddy portable heater. So this is a heater that I've had, not the specific one, but I'll get into this in just a moment here. For about the last 9 years, the one that I had previously bit the dust, and so I needed to replace it with a new one. However, well, we'll pause there. So why do I like this Mr. Buddy heater? I like this for a couple of reasons. Number one, on either side, you can use the basic green propane cylinders, and you can use one or two of them on either side. You can also buy an adapter hose here and connect it to a regular white 20-pound or larger propane tank. And so you have a lot of options. And so I really like this. My other one went bad. I went to actually replace it with the exact same thing. So I love the fact that I can turn it on and off and operate it here with the knob here. But to me, what the most amazing part about this heater is not just that it puts out heat. You can get that on just about any other heater. But on the back side of the heater, there's this back here. Pull it back, and you can put in some D-cell batteries, or you can pick up an adapter and plug it into the wall. And then there is a fan in here that will help to blow the heat and blow the air away from this. Turn this back around. So then you've got air coming out here on top to help to heat your space. In theory, this is supposed to be allowed to be used indoors. I'm not sure how much I trust that. I like the idea at least have a redundant heating source in the event of a power failure in the winter. But the real issue that I found with this, everything else is the exact same as the one that I had before, with one exception. And that exception is this. This is the back that was on this heater when I bought it about a week ago. Notice anything missing? I sure do. There's no opening for the batteries here. Nothing for that. There's no switch up here at the top. There's no port for the power supply to go in, because in their infinite wisdom, Mr. Heater has decided to remove the fan back from this unit. Now, thankfully, I had not discarded my old unit yet, and I was able to actually take the fan back off my old unit, unscrew it in a couple of spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, and carefully remove it and pop it out and place it into my new Big Buddy heater. So if you're in the market for a Big Buddy heater, just pay attention, because in 2022, they've decided to remove the option of the built-in fan back. Apparently, they're claiming it's related to changes in import tariff rules. That's at least their claim. Take it for what it is. Maybe it's another source of inflation, whatever it is. That caught me completely off guard. If I had bought this a day or two later, I would have actually had this in my trash bin, and then they would want to charge another, I want to say it's 40, 50 bucks for this fan back that used to be included with it. So you can still get it if you're upgrading an old one, or you can find someone else that still has this. This is completely removable with a couple screws. But otherwise, this is quite possibly, in my opinion, the perfect little compact heater that works well in a garage. It works well outdoors. It works well in a variety of settings. Nice and compact, choice of fuel sources. Just a little bit annoyed by the fact that in 2022, they took away the fan back. So I've got my 10-year-old, nearly 10-year-old fan back on now. I think it'll work just fine. But just as a heads up, if you're shopping for one of these, if you can find one that still has the fan back on it, that's, we'll call it new old stock, that would be fantastic. Go ahead and grab that. Otherwise, pay attention to the back that comes with it. You might still be able to get it with the fan, maybe not. It's definitely worth it to have the fan. Otherwise, you've got a ton of other options for heaters that don't have fans on it. So I thought I'd share this with you here today. Questions or comments, if you've got a Big Buddy heater that you love it or hate it, or any other thoughts on it, put it down in the comments down below. Love to hear about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye.